Hey there, it's Mollie with Design Loves Detail, and I'm coming to you from the Flip House today. We have got some furniture deliveries happening, as well as lots of fun updates to show you. We're getting close, so stay tuned to check it out. I always get excited about finding new furniture companies, and I have got a new one for you today, so this is gonna be super fun. We're not quite done with the flip, but the furniture came, and so I can't not open it. We've got to check it out. This company is called Valyōu. They are out of Hawaii actually, but they just opened a store in Las Vegas, so they're in the mainland now, and I can't wait to check that out. The pieces that I have here today are a sectional, which is beautiful. It's so pretty. We're gonna check it out, as well as a coffee table and a console. Let's open it up. So this is the console. It's actually huge, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, so pretty.
This is good looking.
It's pretty. All right, how pretty is this piece? I am obsessed with this drawer detail, this woven drawer front, and then
That's pretty amazing.
yes, I mean, use your imagination. We're gonna have this cleaned up soon. Also, we have a lot of weird things going on. Like, I'm way too dressed up to be furniture unboxing, but I have a friend's birthday to head to after, so this is what we got. But I'm going to show you all of these pieces styled soon, but I wanted to just go through, because I literally hadn't seen this at all, only online. You know, when I chose it, I was so excited when Valyōu asked to partner with me, because when I saw their furniture, and I love, love, love finding new brands. So this is amazing to me. The scale of this, you can see, is beautiful. Really nice size, and the detail, and just like, oh my gosh, so cool. I cannot wait to get this piece styled. These are nice long drawers, so you could actually have some good storage in here, as well as just being so pretty. I feel like this too has a really good mix of like that classic styling with something fresh and fun with that detail in the drawers. So I think this is going to be so fun to style. Now we should open the sectional, don't you think? So we got the sectional unboxed, and it is so pretty. I love that this fabric is neutral, but it's not like too white. It looks like it'll be a good, you know, in between that's not gonna be too hard to keep clean. And what's amazing is that these cushions, actually, you can zip off the covers and wash them. They also like Velcro down, so they're gonna be held in place, which is so great. We haven't hooked it together yet, because I'm gonna decide which way. I might put it against this window wall, or I might put it across the middle of the room. So we haven't yet clicked it together, but it is so pretty, and it's so comfortable, seriously, so soft. And it even comes with some pillows, some just neutral ones, and you can add, you know, your decorative accents. And I love too that it comes in different lengths, so you can get the perfect size and configuration for your space. So this is the feathers sectional, which I love. It is that soft. It's not actual down, but whatever it is really soft. And then it is the 110-inch left facing. So we have this awesome chaise on this side. You can get different configurations and sizes for whatever you need for your space. I love the price. They also are giving us a discount code, so stay tuned for that. It's really great. And you can see how pretty this looks with this console piece, and it's also working so well with this rug, which I'll share when we do the reveal. I just can't wait to get all of this styled. Another thing I'm loving is the modern, clean design of this sectional. It's a lower profile, so you can see like how the back is, and then these cushions give a little bit of height and a little bit of comfort too. But it's great, because if you want it in a room that it doesn't block the view or feel too bulky, this is amazing. Still, you know, so comfortable too, which is like checking all those boxes. I'm also loving that the style of it is really flexible and versatile, so you can use it with a variety of different styles. This room is going to kind of be modern, traditional, so kind of in that transitional vein where it, you know, incorporates a few different elements of classic styling and then stuff that feels fresh and modern. So this is totally gonna keep the space light and bright and really clean lines and simple, while not compromising on the comfort as well. We have one more piece that we get to unbox today, and then I'll give you a little tour of where we are with the flip. One of the things you guys might have noticed is that these pieces all came really well packaged, which is amazing. Everything's in perfect condition. I'm so happy to see that. And then this coffee table is gorgeous. I love it. It's got the glass top, which is so practical. I love the scale. It's that designer look, but the price is really reasonable. And it comes in 2 different sizes. I love this. I think it's 44 inch, so that it's substantial. So many times coffee tables are just, you can only find the small sizes. And this one is just beautiful and big and such a statement maker. It's going to be perfect for this space. I love that it's the glass top because it's way more practical if you want to set a drink down or something. You're not going to damage this beautiful woven detail that is here on the base and everything. And you do still see it across the top as well. So just such a cool piece. I love it and cannot wait. Like I just am, I want this house to get finished up so that we can get it all styled because it's going to be so pretty. I'm bringing in lots of textures, lots of, you know, just pops of like warmer tones here and there. Lots of neutrals as always, but we're just gonna bring in some really cool texture and a little bit of color too. I'm going to link all these products for you and be sure to check out more on the Valyōu website. They have seriously some really cool stuff. Okay, so we also have the coupon code for you guys to use on Valyōu's website. It is for your first order. So it only works the first time. So make sure you get everything that you want that first time around. It gives you 5% off your whole order, which is great because furniture, of course, is a big ticket item. So 5% ends up being a lot. It is DLD5 and you can try out these products and also see what else they have. They've got some really cool stuff all across the board. This feather sectional, like I was saying, comes in other sizes. So does a coffee table and just some really nice accent pieces too. So pretty excited about my new source. You're welcome. And and then we're gonna take a tour. Let's go walk through where we are with the flip house. Okay, let's check out the house just so you can get a quick sneak peek of where we're at. Here's the primary bedroom. Of course, we've got the flooring in. I'm gonna be sharing, when we reveal the spaces, I'll share all the links for everything. But for now, we're just doing a quick breeze through. We've got the new light fixture. We've got the beautiful sliding door for the closet. More to come. And here's the bathroom, just a quick look. In the bathroom, we're still waiting on the mirror and a couple details to get touched up, but we've got the flooring, vanity, tub, shower in. So it is getting super close. This is gonna be another really cool room to see styled up, turning out pretty well. I'm gonna show you the rest of the bedrooms later. We did a little sneak peek previously for one, the one that I styled, but this is the kitchen and we are waiting on countertops. They've been measured and stuff, so we're just got a couple weeks for that. You can see the island and we've got something really fun going on the wall here. I won't tell you, but it's stone. It's stone. I can't wait. And this is where the range will be. We've got, of course, the pantry that we updated with this fun arch detail. And then the laundry room is really gonna be fun as well. Did have really cute cabinet color in here. It's kind of a greenish tone, which you know I love. I don't know if you can see that. The washer and dryer will go right here. So there's just one cabinet. And this will be a nice drop zone with some shelves above. So we're packing in as much storage as we can, but it's going to be good. I love this house so much. Thank you guys for watching today. We've got lots more to come. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. Check me out over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, our website designlovesdetail.com, and also on Pinterest at Design LVS Detail. And you can see all of the latest stuff. We'll see you next time.